Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to continue our suffix work this week. We're adding full, us, and es onto the end of our words this week, on the end of our base words. So let's take a look at our bold words up here. We have the base word of delight, and we're adding full, so being full of delight. When we're adding these suffixes this week, we're actually turning our words into adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. So we're describing someone or a situation or how somebody acts or feels. So we're going to be changing these words to adjectives. Our next word with our base word is danger. And then we have us at the end, changing just the word danger into dangerous, describing a situation or somebody being dangerous. Then we have OUS again on our last word, but our base word envy actually is normally spelled ENVY. So we're dropping that Y and adding the OUS onto that word. So envious. Envy meaning you kind of like admire someone, or you really look up to them, or you wish you were like them. So we're going to go down our columns, starting in our first column. We already did the word delightful. We're going to work our way down. I'll read through and we'll kind of talk a little bit about some of the meanings. So the word humorous, studious. It's a way to describe somebody who studies. Now study actually has that Y, so we're taking off that Y and adding the OUS. Stressful, vigorous, meaning a lot of energy. Glorious, again, glory is spelled with a Y, our base word, so we're dropping that and adding the IOUS. Cheerful and boastful. Boastful meaning somebody who likes to brag. You would be describing that person, that they are a bragger. Second column, we have dangerous, as we said. Successful, rebellious. Now this is an interesting one because rebel, the base word, is actually spelled REBEL. So they're actually adding an additional LIOUS onto the end of that word. A rebel is someone who doesn't pay attention to the rules. They try and break the rules. So if you're describing someone as rebellious, that's a word to describe them if there's somebody who's trying to break the rules. Mountainous, wonderful, marvelous, scandalous, and outrageous. Third column, envious. We talked about that one. Poisonous, wasteful, famous, nervous, shameful, furious, and beautiful. Now it's interesting, beautiful, you want to normally think of as a word that has a suffix at the end. But really your base word here is beauty. And then you're dropping that Y and adding IFUL onto the end of that word. So beautiful actually is a word with a suffix from the base word beauty, dropping the Y, adding IFUL for beautiful. If you have any questions about any of the meanings of these words, please pop your hand up and I can come around and help you. You're going to grab your scissors and start cutting and sorting. As soon as your sort is done, raise your hand and I'll come over and check it and I can give you your homework packet. All right, let's get started. Happy sorting.